Let me take you back to 1985, the year Back to the Future came out and the year my own journey into digital dentistry began. Imagine a man, a machine, and you working together. I was just a first-year dental student when Professor Werner Mörmann gave us a lecture that changed everything. He spoke about chairside dentistry. No articulators, no long waiting times, no endless lab steps, just you, the patient, and the technology. 1 year later, in 1986, I became one of the first patients to be treated with this revolutionary technology. I received 5 inlays with the first CEREC prototype. They are still in my mouth today. Today, everyone talks about digital dentistry as if it's the latest trend. But digital means 2 things, numbers and fingers. The perfect combination for what we do every day. This year, CEREC celebrates 40 years, and so do I. 40 years in dentistry, 40 years of living this vision of chairside care. What a coincidence, or maybe destiny? My message is simple. Embrace chairside dentistry. Don't overcomplicate things with too many external tools. Your most powerful resource is already in front of you, your patient. The future isn't somewhere else. It's right here, chairside. And to Dentsply Sirona, thank you for making pioneers like me believe in this journey decades ago. And to Vita Zahnfabrik, who provided the very first ceramic blocks that made chairside restorations possible. Together, you laid the foundation for digital dentistry. Now let's share the stories of early adopters so the next generation can see just how far we have come.